Let's talk about something that no one really talks about. Financial burnout. It's that feeling of constant exhaustion from just trying to keep your head above water financially. You work harder. You try to save every penny. You even dip your toes into investing. But then you look around and everything just costs more. And somehow, no matter what you do, it still feels like you're falling behind. It's a tough cycle. Wages seem to crawl upwards while expenses just quietly creep higher and higher. That constant mental pressure starts to build, and before you know it, you're completely burnt out. And when you're exhausted, what happens? You stop tracking your spending. You stop making plans for the future. You just react to whatever financial fire pops up next. Financial burnout isn't some dramatic, explosive event. It's subtle. It looks like quietly giving up. But here's the thing. The solution isn't to hustle even harder. The real answer lies in creating systems. Think about it. Automate your investing so it happens without you thinking about it. Simplify your financial strategy down to the basics. The goal is to reduce the number of money decisions you have to make every single day. Make building wealth a boring, automatic process. You're not bad with money, you're just tired. So, give yourself permission to slow down, simplify your approach, and remember, it's perfectly okay to build your financial future at your own pace. If you want more tips for a calmer, smarter approach to money, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.